Could the cost of cigarettes in Hamilton County rise even higher? One nonprofit trying to make that happen. Good evening, I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Latricia Thomas. Today, ArtsBuild presented their rationale for raising cigarette taxes to the Hamilton County Commission. News Channel 9's Catherine Marchand has that story. Catherine.
Josh, Latricia, currently there's no county-specific cigarette tax, but ArtsBuild is asking commissioners to give the people of Hamilton County a chance to change that, to fund arts and culture.
So what we're asking is not for you to decide the issue. We're asking for you to allow the voters to decide the issue and give us the opportunity to put this referendum on the ballot.
ArtsBuild Chair Lee Davis explained to the Hamilton County Commissioners why they should consider putting a cigarette tax on the ballot. He said in a survey of more than 500 voters, over 60% favored a 20-cent tax on a pack of cigarettes for arts and culture. Commissioners Warren Mackey and Tim Boyd voiced their support for the idea, but not everyone was on board.
Let me start out by saying that there's no way in the world that I'll ever support this.
Commissioner Joe Graham said he couldn't justify the additional burden to the taxpayers.
Who this is going to penalize in my district is the poor people.
I might add that if we can get less poor people to smoke, it might be less of a burden on our health system. So let's just don't go there.
Every time you buy a pack of cigarettes in Tennessee, you're already paying $1.01 in federal taxes, 62 cents in state taxes, and you'd pay an additional 20 cents per pack for county taxes with this new proposal. ArtsBuild President Dan Bowers says it's a necessary measure to add more arts programs for children and lure young adults to jobs in the community.
We looked at a number of things as far as public funding for the arts, and we discovered that there are a number of communities that have chosen tax-based funding for the arts.
I would rather go to the schools or to reduce crime. There's other things I guess that could need it more.
Mandy Chankis is a smoker. She says she's not sure any extra cash she has to shell out is best spent on the arts.
I just feel like maybe if we're going to throw extra taxes in, it should be used towards our children or safety.
Bowers says he hopes the commissioners will vote next Wednesday. That vote will determine whether taxpayers have the opportunity for a referendum. Latricia?
Catherine, thank you. And if it passes, voters will have a say in August of 2016.